Hello, friends. This is a long overdue intro. But we're here in Camigan Island. We're back here in Camigan Island. My hair is messy because I already rested and laid down on our bed. Same here at Seascape. So it was a long intro that was like before here. And then we just settled down, rested, and we're here actually for like family bonding. And actually, I took a break from work again because I can't anymore. It's actually fiesta of our home barangay in Camiguin. So it's tomorrow, Desperas Karon. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy, celebrate with family, and just take rest and enjoy every bits of it. So I'm just gonna take a nap, and I'll see you when I'll see you later. Bye. See you there.
Bok, busog na ni Bok. Okay, smiling na.
Okay, we're doing imposter who. Kia starts the conversation. Um, Pao. Pao. Ano siya? Tao siya, lalaki. Food. Triangle? Kani kay sikat siya sa Amerika. Color yellow. Mr. Chip nga mahalod nga version. And makaon na siya. Triangle. Red yung one flavoring. Spicy. Dagan siya sa SNR. Lami. Yes, wait lang. Ay, ako pa. Ay, siya. Kuan. Kasa pala ko siya natilawan. Nya, mahal kay ni.
Yes na?
Wala ko kabalaan eh. Nalimtan.
Yes na? One, two, three, go. Maki! Maki!
Maayo kay makibay, try ko na imposter.
Kaya kasi mo dito sa dagat ba?
Hello, 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 friends. Another day in the island, and today is the feast of our barangay. So we are just attending a mass in an hour. Like argued before, kay mapuno daw ang simbahan ng kuan, and they want to sit. So we're here walking, walking, and then maraming kain after because it's fiesta. So going to the relatives' houses. Okay, BRB. Hello, the mass is done. Viva, Senor San. Charot lang. Charot lang.
Si Binsoy.
Ito may shout out.
Vlog takeover.
Shout out to Binsoy, come over.
Hindi mo rin nag-drive na.
Hoy, Saki, apa to?
Laka, daga. Hala.
Hoy, wala pa. Ay na.
Si Coco. After many hours update namin sa Tuna Restaurante, we're buying pizza and we're gonna eat it sa resort. Gusto may mag-disco but layo kami sa resort and wala may transpo and wala na ma-transpo karon like Rela or something kay sayo sila magtulog. Sayo magtulog.
Ito guys, nag-disco na to sila guys.
Pumaklay na lang ta. Mag-disco.
Thank you, Uncle Vivo!
Day 3, Mantigi Island Day. Tapos sila.
So, hi guys! We're done!
Hello, hello, hello friends. Today is day 3 and we're here at Soda Water Pool. Nag-lunch sa Miona. Axel!
At Kokon, Buwari.
Nagikan mi sa Mantigi Island and it was so init but so good actually po. And wala na ko vlog because going there hagan kita pangitabo. Update lang. Play good time. swimming dessert juice.
Right, may ban Kamu sih mga kunti lang na kasi wala black.
Hi guys, we're now on our resort. And tomorrow may uli na may. Tama niya kung tanaw akong hairstyle ko. I'm in bed with my cousin Daniel. And wala, nag-rest lang mi. Gikan mi sa balay sa among relatives. And nag-prepare na mi to go home tomorrow. So, still don't know if muli diretso buntag or what. Or if mag-vlog or what pa. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Wala lang in advance. Because I don't know if mag-vlog kami tomorrow. And more vlogs coming up soon. So, you see the like and share. Like and subscribe the video. Morning! It's uwi time. But breakfast first in the relative's house. Uli na! Thank you, Seascapes, for the 3 days. Oh, it's all that matters.
Ano ka na dyan? Hilaw. Hilaw ba? Hilaw. Wala man na. Luto na. Ayun na. Naman. Mga bata. Okay na rin. Lutoon lagi. Lutoon. Yeah.
That's breakfast on the province.
Sinitan.